Hi guys, I've got a good news for you that another IIM is coming up in Pune. Yes, you heard it right. So IIM Nagpur, after 5 years of successfully running the campus in Nagpur, all set to start a chapter with the Central Institute of Road Transport. So CIRT Pune will start their off campus. So IIM Nagpur's off campus. It's not going to be a standalone campus. It's going to be a off campus. A lot of IIMs are doing that. IIM Indore have off campus. IIM Lucknow have off campus. IIM Indore have a off campus in Mumbai. IIM Lucknow have an off campus in Noida. Yeah, so they don't publish or they don't market it separately. They are combined as a part of the off campus. So the memorandum have been signed between the IIM director and CIRT director to start the campus as soon as next year. Okay, so this all happened with CEO and Managing Director of Tech Mahindra, Mr. C.K. Gunani was also there, and Nitin Gadkari also was there to sign. Okay, so this has been reported in Times of India newspaper. So what will happen? What will be the cutoff? I think they will not be accepting CET score and all, of course. So it will be same as the main campus of IIM Nagpur. The cutoff will be around 90 to 95 percentile. 95 percentile for open category GEM, 90 percentile for non-engineer, and 80 percentile for the OBC EWS. SC/ST cutoff will be around 70 percentile. 95, 90, 80, 70. Okay. So extension Pune, which is a big industrial hub and automobile and IT hub, so that's why they plan to start the campus. Okay. So the college, the courses will be obviously the normal MBA. We still don't know exactly which all program they're going to start, but very short term and long term program will start from the new academic year. So starting from this year, coming year, we will be seeing that. So we have to just wait and watch kab hota hai wo. Okay, and we'll see what exactly happens. So that's the news we have so far, that they'll be offering its regular courses. So we can see that they'll be offering the regular PGP course along with the automobile course. Okay, now let me give you the brief about that. IIM Nagpur, when they started in the campus of NIT Nagpur Engineering College. Engineering NIT Nagpur के campus में IIM Nagpur था. Same way, to start a new campus, it can take up to 3 to 5 years. So it's better to use someone else's campus. So like IIM Nagpur started in NIT Nagpur, same way they will be having the campus at CIRT Pune. So CIRT is kind of giving them their campus, so they have to run their own regular program of IIMs, and along with them some automobile related courses as well. So we have to wait and watch how did this come, but the best part is they're going to start as early as next year. All the best.